before you with contrite heart. Humbly I surrender all that I am. I want to learn from you. Please draw me close to you. Help me share your love and grace in all I do. Lord, I come before you with contrite heart. Humbly I surrender all that I am. I want to learn from you. Please draw me close to you. Let me share your love and grace in all I do. Oh Lord, transform me. Change my heart completely to be more like you. Oh Lord, renew me. Heal my mind and broken heart today. I want to be and to do what you commanded, and be filled with the Spirit every day. I want to serve you wherever you may lead me. I want to serve you till the very end. Oh Lord, transform me. Change my heart completely to be more like you. Oh Lord, renew me. Heal my mind and broken heart today. I want to be and to do what you commanded, and be filled with the Spirit every day. I want to serve you wherever you may lead me. I want to serve you till the very end. Help me shine a light to a darkened world, and always live your truth in every way. May your love for me be seen by everyone, and lead others to trust and love you more. Oh Lord, transform me. Change my heart completely to be more like you. Oh Lord, renew me. Heal my mind and broken heart today. I want to be and to do what you commanded, and be filled with the Spirit every day. I want to serve you wherever you may lead me. I want to serve you till the very end. Oh Lord, transform me. Change my heart completely to be more like you. Oh Lord, renew me. Heal my mind and broken heart today. I want to be and to do what you commanded, and be filled with the Spirit every day. I want to serve you wherever you may lead me. I want to serve you till the very end. Lord, transform me to serve. Lord, transform me to serve.
Happy Sabbath, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Adventist Youth Live. Tonight, I'm very happy that you have joined us for this exciting evening with us. I'm so delighted to have our ever-present Asha, and of course our dear Carissa to my right. You want to say good night to the viewing audience, ladies?
Well, I just want to say good night and pleasant Sabbath to everyone. I haven't been seeing you for a while, but I'm right here and I'm happy to be with you again. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Well, I too express Asha's sentiments, so happy Sabbath and good night.
You know, tonight, Youth Live is quite sentimental for me in many respects, and I want to just cherish the moment, that I can have here with you tonight. It will be my final Youth Live with you, but I just want to, thank God for what He has done through this ministry, and also for those of you who have and continue to make Youth Live what it is. Tonight we are discussing why our young people are leaving church, and I thought it fitting that we shift the discussion on young people, because after all, Youth Live is all about trying to connect youth to Christ. And so tonight I want you to prepare for this topic. It's a very exciting topic. We have a heated discussion that we will have a little later on in the program. But for now, I want to just wish all of you happy Sabbath. I'm seeing quite a number of you already logged in. I'm seeing our usual Chanel Bihari. Who else are you guys seeing online tonight?
Nakisha, Samuel Percy, hey, how you doing, girl? Venus Bramble, Shani, Shadderton.
And Venus is from Montserrat. So Venus, we want to welcome you. And all the month, I want you to greet Pastor White for me. Pastor White is pastoring on the island of Montserrat. So welcome. I'm seeing Vicky Keto. Vicky, happy Sabbath to you, Vicky. Vicky is all the way from SVG. You guys know what SVG stands for?
Yeah, St. Vincent the Grenadines. Yes,
all right,
yes,
well,
yes.
at least, I'm just testing the waters, okay? Anton Felix, happy Sabbath to you. Who else are we seeing online?
Sister Anne-Marie McBain from all the way from Canada.
Yes, all right. It's nice to have Anne-Marie in the house tonight. And of course, Azel has joined us. We have Zawadi Courtney. Zawadi.
I like that name.
Yeah, I have not met Zawadi before, but it's nice, Zawadi, it's good to have you
Good
tuned
night.
in tonight.
Sorry and Jackie and Jamal, good night.
All right, okay. Rifa. Oh, yes, Rifa is in the house. My dear friend from Canada. Rifa, Rifa is asking why you leaving. Okay, it's a very difficult question, but welcome tonight, Rifa, and we're very happy to have you joining us. And there is somebody I haven't seen for a while. Nadia Julian. Nadia, happy Sabbath to you and welcome. There's quite a bit joining us today. Now, folks, you have to tell your friends that we have an exciting topic tonight, and you can't afford to miss tonight's topic. We will be talking about why our young people are leaving church, and as I said to you, I want to hear from you as to why you think. Now, don't post your answers yet. In a little while, All for now, we are just greeting you. And guys, how was your week? What did you guys do for this week?
It was exciting. Intercom made it exciting. Although, yes, I supported SAS, and although it didn't come first in the boys division, we were over our champs. I was so happy. I'm proud of my past school.
Okay, all right. So there was a lot of, intercall was a lot this week. How about you?
Well, report books and intercall, of course. So proud of my boys. Well, we came 12th, but we are certainly something to talk about. So.
Yeah, I know. If I can, Montrose is actually my alma mater. And I'm really proud of what is happening at that school. But school closed today, right?
Yes.
So, how do you look forward to the closing of school?
Well, when school closes, more school begins. Classes for the Form 5, so it's not yet over.
It's not yet over. I know. And then for children are happy when school is coming to a close, but it's so much work for a teacher.
Yes.
Well, folks, Yes, tonight we are really, I want you to share and like the page. Nezra Nichols, my mom was just talking about you, Pastor. You don't know me, but I know you well. You know, I'm happy you know me, but I would like to get to know you too. Nezra Nichols, happy Sabbath to you. You know, my week was a very hectic week. You know, last week I was over in Guyana. We had over 50 preachers from the Caribbean who were in Guyana. We were preaching at different sites in Guyana. From Grenada, myself was there, the president, Dr. Lewis. You had Pastor Edward Gideon. You had Elder Raymond Nelson and Pastor Elvis Hilaire, and also Pastor Charles Gitton. So the 6 of us were over there from Grenada. And we were joined by 44 other preachers from right around the Caribbean Union. And so we spent 10 days of preaching in Guyana, and over 1,300 persons were baptized in that 10 days, you know. Wow. So it was really exciting. So I was out for the last 2 Fridays, you know, and we came back last Sunday night. And since I got back, there was so much to do because, as you know, this was my final week. So there was so much to get done. But I want to thank God for His mercies, you know, even though tonight, you feel like just, having water just fall on your shoulders, because, the week was so hectic. But thank God for His goodness. Thank God for His goodness. Okay. Right, so we want to wish all of you happy Sabbath, and we want to just thank God for all of you. Tell us something about your week, okay? Tell us something about your week. What exciting thing happened this week that you want to share with us?
Oh, well, it wouldn't be right if I didn't say good night to Dwight, who has joined us so early in the night.
Okay. Okay, Corey saying you guys are lucky school closed so early. We only get 1 week here in New York. I miss you on show, Pastor, and great to know that you visited my homeland. Hope you enjoy the country. Yeah, I mean, Guyana is a very exciting place, man, I really love Guyana. I love the people and the, and the food and everything. It was great. Yeah, have any of you been to Guyana?
No.
Okay, got a plan to go to Guyana. Okay. All right, Corey. I'm advertising your homeland for you, man. Folks, you gotta share the page tonight. Okay, you gotta promise me you're gonna share the page tonight. You must share the page. Make sure you do that so that others can know what's happening here tonight. Right? I'm seeing Chilean Frank from. Have you?
Baltimore.
Yeah, I've never seen Chilean before. Okay. Chilean, welcome to Adventist Youth Live. Okay, do you know Chilean?
No.
Well, maybe I thought you brought him on. I don't know, but whoever brought Chilean on, I mean, we are happy to have you, Chilean, at Youth Live tonight. Okay, who else is joining us?
Well, Francine, who is not very far from us.
Okay.
Good night.
Yeah, and tonight Francine will be featured on our program tonight in a little while. So Francine, we are happy to have you. Venus was saying my week was sad. Okay, as she buried her dad on Sunday. Okay,
Aww.
Venus, deepest sympathy to you, Venus. On the passing of your dad. Okay, then we have Clifton Ned. Yeah, Dillon Ned. I've never seen Clifton before. Okay, Clifton. But we are happy to have you, Clifton. If this is your first night, tell us where you are coming from. All right, folks. I'm only seeing 2 shares. That's not good enough. I think we need to see more shares than that. So please share the page and like the page tonight. Remember, we are talking about why young people go missing. Why do young people leave the church? So I want you guys to please share the page, okay? And we want to see a lot more people watching Youth Live tonight as we discuss this all-important topic, why our young people go. I mean, are you guys excited to talk about this topic tonight?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Well, folks, we'll be having quite a lot to talk about tonight. We have, all right, Chilean say he's from
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. Okay, wonderful. So, Chilean, we are very happy to have you tonight, Chilean. And welcome. And just share the page to all your friends in New Hampshire. Okay, we have 32 shares. Great. So things are picking up, I see.
Hey.
Yeah.
Good night, Cousin Jermaine.
All right.
Happy to have you here. I haven't seen you before, but since I saw the surname, I know you must be related.
Okay.
Tonya Ridges.
All right.
Dwight, my week was bad because we lost the 4x4 race.
Really? All
no,
right.
Dwight, it was not
No.
bad. Dwight, we did very well.
Yeah,
Was
just put on a
Dwight-
show. I was actually
Dwight,
scared
Dwight
myself.
ran?
No.
Well, I thought Dwight ran. I mean, oh man. Yeah, Dwight, you have a lot to be thankful for still, man. You have a lot to be thankful for. All right, so we have Montreal in the house. Tonya Regis, Tonya, you know, we try to acquaint with our viewers tonight. Okay, Tonya, welcome, to you. Nakisha said she shed, and that's very good. That's very good. Yeah, let us know when you shed a page tonight. We want to make sure tonight we get this program out and running. It's a very exciting program tonight.
Okay. Andrew Scipio, happy Sabbath to the team. He's from Trinidad and he's locked on and wishing us happy Sabbath.
That name is very familiar.
And Andrew.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Keon, good night. Happy to have you here.
Yes, Keon, happy Sabbath to you. Happy Sabbath to you. Chamin said her week was good, no sickness. That's, praise the Lord. Chamin. Praise the Lord. Guys, a few years ago the Youth Life Ministry started, and it started small, and something that we were not doing every Friday night, and then ultimately we said, what, let's start this thing and keep it going every Friday night, and we were sometimes worried, how are we going to find people for this ministry every Friday night, but God has been so good. I mean, look, he has brought persons like Asher and Carissa and many others that you will see tonight. So we just want to thank, and then of course you. Without you being there, it makes it so difficult for us to do what we do. So you have really, really been, at the bottom, the foundation behind this ministry, and we want to thank you for what you have done. And even if in many respects I will be moving on, I still believe that God has so much things to do through this ministry, and I want to just encourage all of you, make Youth Life your regular Friday evening stop. All right, folks. As usual, we must get into our little praise and worship. I can't sing too well tonight, but that's why Asha and Carissa is here to help me, ensure that we get you singing. So this time, remember, we can't take all the songs, but of course, we always take as much as we can. So right about now, we want to enter into our praise and worship. And don't forget, you must share the page. We are talking about tonight, why do our young people leave the church? Every young person who have left the church, you should send them a like tonight. Send them an invite. Let them know tonight that we are talking about something rather interesting. Hymn number 34. All right, so I'm going to be exiting the screen while our two ladies lead you into praise and worship.
With a song of joy and gladness, bring your noblest lays, banish every thought of sadness, pouring forth
1, To God Be the Glory. 3, 4, 1.
And it was Rifa who requested this beautiful song.
Yes.
To God be the glory, great things He has done. So loved He the world that He gave us His Son, who yielded His life an atonement for sin, and opened the life gate that all may go in. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, let the earth hear His voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give Him the glory. Great things He has done. Great things He has taught us, great things He has done, and great are rejoicing through Jesus the Son. For purer and higher and greater will be our wonder, our transport, when Jesus is seen. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear His voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give Him the glory. Great things He has done.
Our next hymn will be hymn number 442, How Sweet Are the Tidings. Now, to accommodate all the songs, we'll only sing the first verse and the chorus. Hymn number 442, How Sweet Are the Tidings.
How sweet are the tidings that greet the pilgrim's end as he wanders in exile from home. Soon, soon will the Savior in glory appear, and soon will the kingdom come. He's coming, coming, coming soon, I know, coming back to this earth again. And the weary winds will to glory go, and the Savior comes to reign.
Hymn number 334, which was requested by girls. 334. Come the fount of every blessing.
Come the fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing Thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me ever to adore Thee, may I still Thy goodness prove, while the hope of endless glory fills my heart with joy and love.
Hymn number 486, which was requested by Spice Lady. 486. I do believe. I don't know it in another hymn.
I stretch my hand to Thee, Your other help I know. If Thou would draw Thyself from me, and
Brother Jerry. That's right, by hymn number 46. I Must Tell Jesus.
I love this one.
Yes.
I must tell Jesus all of my trials. I cannot bear this burdens alone. In my distress, He kindly will help me. He ever loves and cares for His own. I must tell Jesus, I must tell Jesus, I cannot bear my burdens alone. I must tell Jesus, I must tell Jesus, Jesus can help me, Jesus alone.
Hymn number 632, which was requested by Sister Meryl. Until Then. 632.
My heart can say when I pause to remember, a heartache here is but a stepping stone along a trail that's winding always upward. This troubled world is not my final home. But until then, my heart will go on singing. Until then, with joy I'll carry on. Until the day my eyes behold the city. Until the day God calls me home.
As our next song, we'll sing 633. Now, Jamal, I don't know if we'll do it enough justice as you do at song service, but we'll try our best to.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus, sing His mercy and His grace. In the mansion bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout of victory.
You know, a little while ago, I was looking in the comments and I'm like, wait, no. Well, how come I watching when I'm sitting here? Good night, Asher James. Happy to have you. Happy Sabbath.
Hymn number 100 from Brother Jomine. Great is thy faithfulness.
Great is thy faithfulness, O God my Father. There is no
Jackie, stop it. You're making me blush.
Brother Dwight requests hymn number 15, My Maker and My King.
And girl, Dwight has one sweet voice.
My Maker and my King, to Thee my all I owe. Thy sovereign bounty is the spring whence all my blessings flow. Thy sovereign bounty is the spring whence all my blessings flow.
Hymn number 334, which was requested by Sister Azel 334. We sang that already, so Sister Azel, send a next hymn. Or you want to sing the last stanza of that one for her?
We'll do it just for you, Azel.
Okay.
Hymn 334, the last stanza.
Oh, to grace, how great a debtor, daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness, like a fetter, bind me closer still to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it. Prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, oh, take and seal it. Seal it for thy coats above.
Hymn number 435, which was requested by Sister Esther. 435. The glory song, do you know it?
Well, I do not really know it, but what we'll do, just to accommodate you, we'll have a little instrumental just for your listening pleasure. Well, that instrumental certainly reminded me, and thank you, Sister Esther, for that beautiful request. We'll now take hymn number 434 by Brother Dario. We speak of the realms.
The realms of the blessed, that country so bright, so fair, and offer its glories confess. But what must it be to be there? We speak of its pathway of gold, its waters with jewels so rare, its wonders and pleasures untold. But what must it be to be there?
Okay, let's see if I know. We don't know hymn number 71, so we'll do likewise play an instrumental for this one. Come thou Almighty King, hymn number 71.
you know the saying goes, you're never too old to learn. And what we are saying tonight is that there are many more beautiful songs in hymnal that we should start learning.
True.
Oh, good night, Donisha. Happy to have you here. I'm so sorry that I missed your song, but can you send it again, please? Haron Fortiu, Barbara, Bedford, and all the persons who would have joined us. Oh, great is thy faithfulness. I'll do that for you, Donisha. Now we'll do hymn number 428, Sweet By and By. Great is thy faithfulness.
There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore.
Okay, now because we would have done that song already, Donisha, what we'll do, we'll sing the last stanza of it just for you. Hymn 100, Great is thy faithfulness.
Pardon for sin and a peace that endureth. Thy own dear mercies to share and to die. Strength for today and bright comfort tomorrow. Blessings of mine, 10,000 beside. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. And all I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness to me.
Just want to say a special good night to Jason and Alian and Aya who are joining us, Renee as well. We are so happy to have you, Ross and Donisha. Yes, we are very happy to have you as well. Shana, Shanique, all of you, we say happy Sabbath and thank you for joining us. Please feel welcome to share the page with someone who may have never seen Adventist Youth Live before. Nova, thank you.
Okay. We'll sing the last song because Sister Kemisha will kill me in church tomorrow if I don't sing it. So we'll sing the last song. 422, Marching to Zion, and that will be it. 422.
We that love the Lord and let our joys be known, join in a song with sweet accord.
say thank you for your wonderful singing, because I am certain that somebody would have been singing along with us. And we say stay tuned, and also we invite you
to like and share the page. And good night, Reba. Happy Sabbath, my sister.
Oh,
yes,
hey,
my sister.
Reba from Camp Girl, happy to see you. And Nikita and everybody else who would have joined. And thank you for my singing buddy here, Carissa.
So don't forget to like and share.
Youth Live. Remember, tonight we are looking at why young people are leaving the church, and we want to thank our dear young ladies for blessing our hearts with wonderful music tonight. Yes, folks, happy Sabbath to all of you, and I see that many of you are sharing the page, but we want to get more persons on tonight, because we are talking about a very important topic. You know, I saw Novel Null saying, Asha, you have a lovely voice. I never know Asha could sing like that. You know, I mean, and Asha has been on this, on Youth Life for such a long time. And tonight is the first night I've heard Asha sing. And, she really does have a good voice. So we want to thank God for Asha and also for Carissa and their ministry. Well, folks, happy Sabbath to you. And, we just want to welcome all of you back to Adventist Youth Live. It's a special episode of Adventist Youth Life tonight, because we are talking about why our young people are leaving the church, and we wanna be able to address that question. And later on, I'll be bringing a group of these young people on the set with me as I hear from them exactly why they think young people are leaving the church. But first, I'm going to share with you a brief presentation, and then we will be able to enter into some more discussion. I want to welcome all of you who are joining us. I see Akisha Belfon. Happy Sabbath to you. Nikita Kata is also here. Reba, welcome, Reba. I'm very happy to see you. Nova Null, it's really good to see you guys. Melissa Alexander, happy Sabbath to all of you. And as you come on, I want you to share the page. Sister Sally Palmer, all right. I saw Sally Charles, and then I saw Palmer. All right, so Sally, welcome and happy Sabbath to you. God bless you. Sylvanus, okay, happy Sabbath to you, Sylvanus. God blessings to you. Folks, we are so delighted to have all of you joining us tonight. As I told you, tonight is a special episode of Youth Live. It's a wonderful experience for me, but it's also a bittersweet experience. I'm always delighted to be here with you and to be sharing with you, but this will be my final sitting here in this capacity until God orders events differently. So tonight I'm delighted, but I'm also very saddened that I'll be having to separate from my Youth Life family. But I just it's just been a great journey with you thus far, and I just want to thank God for all that He has done, and thank you for being faithful viewers, every Friday evening with us. So please share the page and make sure that other people get to understand what we're discussing tonight. Well, tonight we have quite a bit in store for you. We have two exciting singing groups here of young people who have devoted their voices to the Lord, and we just want to thank God, for them, and the ministry. When this Youth Life ministry started, it started so that young people can utilize their gifts and talents to the Lord, and this has been the story with Youth Life. As young people, have really give back to God all the gifts and talents that He has given to them. And so tonight we'll be once again, showcasing some of those gifts in our young people that God has given. We just want to thank God for all of you young people. I want to welcome all of you that are recently joining us. And, Gina Robertson is asking, happy Sabbath, is this your last Sabbath? Well, it's my last Sabbath for now. at least on this side. Nikita Carter, happy Sabbath to you. Nikita, Celine Burke, happy Sabbath to you. And thank you guys for joining us. Tonight we are discussing why do young people leave the church. So I really want to hear from you tonight. It's an engaging discussion. I'm hoping we can have a follow-up to that at some point in time. But at least we'll begin the dialogue tonight, and hopefully we'll be able to get more out of it. So tonight we are happy to have with us Redeemed in the house. In a little while, we want to invite Redeem to come as they blend their melodious voices in ascribing praise and thanks to God. So at this time, I want you to sit up, listen up as you are felicitated with good singing by Redeem.
To see the dawn of the darkest day, Christ on the road to Calvary, tried by sinful men, torn and beaten there, nailed to a cross of wood. Is the power of the cross. Christ became sin for us, took our blame, bore the wrath that we stand forgiven at the cross. Oh, to see the pain written on your face, bearing the awesome weight of sin. Every bitter thought, every evil deed, Christ